Everybody. I'm Prateek Makkar. I'm here to provide my presentation on mining airfare data to minimize ticket purchase price. So this is very interesting topic. It's like viewing the airfare tickets and predicting whether it's gonna go down in future or not, whether to buy right now or wait for it to go down. So this is a paper. I have a reference link for this. So I'm gonna start with the problem and step how they mine the data and with the results also. So the problem was this: there's a dynamic pricing in airfare, and there's no solution to it. Whether you buy early or last minute, you don't know whether you are buying a good deal or not. It's keep on fluctuating. So the solution we can give it through by mining the data. So what four professors did, they they collected the data over a 41 days on two routes, Los Angeles to Boston and Seattle to Washington. They observed 12,000 fares, and through that they applied few data mining techniques, few algorithms that I'm gonna discuss next. So they applied actually 4 to 5 techniques. The first one was the Ripper technique. Through that they got like rules like if the hours before takeoff is this, price is below this, then wait for it to get down, otherwise buy. These kind of rules they got, and they also trained their data through time series and q learning. Also what they did, they crafted the rule manually or by consulting with travel agents, and they applied all these methods, and they observed the results. But in the end what they did, they stacked all the models, they all the classifiers, combined all of them, and they produce Hamlet. They call it Hamlet now. So after that, the results they got through this were very good, and the rules were again like same, but they were comparing other classifier input also. Like here you can see they are comparing time series is equal to buy, but q learning is saying wait. So they are going with q learning and they are waiting for it to go down, airfares. And now we'll discuss metric for evaluation and results. So metric for evaluation, we cannot take accuracy as a metric for evaluation because here if the it is misclassified means like you should not wait, you should buy right now. But it's all about money. If uh, if the money is not getting less, like if the loss is not more, then it's okay. Like if it's a $1 or $2 loss, then it doesn't count as a misclassified, it count as a classified only. So we can only talk about savings if we want to check the accuracy of this model. And below are the results for the simulated customers they have obtained. Optimal is the one which they got when they know what the rate's gonna be. So in optimal you can save 100%. By hand they have saved 53%, and the best results they got from the combinations of all these classifiers, that is what Hamlet is, they got 61.8%. So also they also opened up a company Faircast, which got acquired by Microsoft for $115 million back in 2006. It used to predict airfares only according to these rules only. These days you can see this on Kayak, and here are the references. Thank you.